you, Armin AP. Okay, next, we are here in Artala. Building Sustainable Legacy.
Hello, Artala. Thank you very much for supporting Costa Manila.
Can you tell us something about Artala?
Good afternoon, everyone. Good morning. I am Cez of Artalan, together with my team, Gina, Kenneth, and Richmond. So just to give you a short background about the company, Artalan is the first and foremost green developer in the country, meaning all of our projects are into sustainability and green development. Thank you.
Picture with Artala. Picture with Artala. Let's go. Picture with Artala, kids. Let's go. Kasama ko. Pumunta tayo ng bahay sa Artala. Thank you, Artala. Thank you. Castrol. Kanina pa gusto pumunta ni Maki sa Castrol. Ayan na.